Alright, hey everybody, this is Joe over at Synergy 17, and I'm just doing a scrap demo. I have lots of little pieces, as you can see, little tiny pieces of different colors. I reached out of my bin of stuff, and these are things that I've actually made stuff already. I got scratches and missing foil, and what I'm going to try to do is I have this bird design right here I've already weeded. And what I'm going to try to do is see if I can just make a little distressed, not necessarily red, white, and blue, but maybe red brushed metal and blue on it, just using my scraps here. So we'll see how it looks. I've never done this before, so we're just going to give it a try and see how it looks. Anyways, I'm going to press the bird. Peel that guy away. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to do this all in one press. So if I was gonna do red, white, and blue, I'm gonna take some of this red here that I have, and let's go ahead and I don't know if that's enough. It might be enough. So I'm gonna crumple this up here. Take little slugs out. Get some tweezers. See little fuzz in here. Okay, get that out of the way. So I'm going to crumple this red here. I'm going to put this across here. Yeah, let's do that right across here. And so I don't even have to use this red. We'll go ahead and save that for another project. The gunmetal, same thing, or the brushed metal. I'm going to take it, crumple it up, and I'll put it right here. And I have a little bit more pieces over here. Just going to kind of patchwork this up together. I'm going to put that piece right here, and I have this little last piece. This is missing a little fragment there. And we'll just throw that right there. And then I'll use blue, for the rest of it. Piece of blue here. I'll put that blue right here. And I have a little bit more piece of scrap. That was a mess, but I'm going to go ahead and put that. See how I want to do this. Put that here, put this one on the bottom. Put this big piece on top. So, anyways, I'm just going to make this mess right here and see what happens. I'll put a cover sheet to hold it all down now. Yeah, let's give it a try. And this demonstration is really about what can I do with my scraps, especially if they're scratched up. Okay. I want this to cool off, so grab a book here, put it on top, try to cool it. On the bottom. And actually, since it's all kind of distressed, we really don't care. So let's just see what it looks like. So it looks like on one of my pieces of silver, wherever my silver's at, I didn't get it. I had a missing chunk there. So if I really want to, I could just put this right back on top right here and press it. But I might get some of these distressed cracked parts with that silver. So I'm going to cut this little tiny piece off, and I'm going to put it right here. Let's see if I can get a little bit more silver in that part. Just to fill in that little gap right there. We'll let it go for a few more seconds. Pull it off. And even though this one we really don't care, it's such a tiny little piece. And grab it. Okay, now that I got that little piece peeled off right there, I'll go ahead and give it one more press to blend it all in. And I don't know if you can see it, but kind of here's what the end result is. So it's nothing spectacular, but using my scrap pieces I was able to do a nice little distressed look. A little bit of silver, a little bit of blue, a little bit of red. So don't throw those scraps away.